going to what are the processes that can work? What are the processes that can work in verbal in the last 75 days? Last 75 days में जब आते हो तुम तो verbal में जैसे as I said vocabulary improve करने के लिए vocabulary list कर रहे हो, vocab याद कर रहे हो, वो सब नहीं work करने वाला है. तो और तुम्हारा audit में तुमको क्या दिखा है verbal में? Is it still an understanding issue or is it now a solving issue? अगर तुमको अभी भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है बहुत सारा चीज while reading, you're still not getting a lot of things while reading, then what you start doing in verbal is maybe you can do short paragraph readings. You try to improve your quality of understanding of paragraphs. Para understanding to focus karo, because if you can start understanding paragraphs and improve your ability to read paragraphs, you can actually across topics, across different subjects. Reading comprehension passages about 4 or 5 paragraphs long. So if you can understand paragraphs, you can understand passages. So the logic is same. I mean, when you suppose somebody tells me कि मेरे CAT 26 के लिए तैयारी करना है, verbal के लिए, तो बोलूँगा किताबें पढ़ो. Read books, start reading as many books, read as diversely as possible. You have the time. But somebody tells me CAT 23 के लिए तैयारी करना है 14 months में, तो I'll tell him for verbal don't read books. Because book reading will not give you that much exposure. So what you do is you start reading articles, start reading 2000 word articles, right? And focus on improving your understanding at the article level. But if you are in a 75-day framework, if you read articles of 2000 words, you'll be able to do 10 articles in a day. But if you focus only on paragraphs, and what you do is what I call as the 20 tab exercise. What you do is open a website, open 5-6 websites which have good quality writing, and you open 20 different articles on 20 different topics, and randomly beach mein paragraph padhne koshish karo. Open the Guardian, open the Economist, open the New York Times, open Wall Street Journal, ऐसे 10-15, open the Guardian, 15-20 topic papers खोल लो, newspapers खोल लो, article sites खोल लो, Eon में 4 article खोल लो, और एक paragraph पढ़ना शुरू करो. Force yourself to understand at the paragraph level कि इस paragraph का meaning में निकालना आ रहा है कि नहीं. Because para meaning अगर तुम समझ जाओगे, तो even now you can actually do a lot of comprehension. And of course, all the work you do in solving, whether it's about analyzing कि मैंने ये option mark किया, वो answer क्यों है, मैंने ये समझा और वैसे ये answer आ गया था. So all the work you do in solving can actually give you results in 75 days. So a lot of solving work. So if let's say you have a problem in let's say in reading comprehension. So you pick up 50-100 good quality passages. एक चीज और important. The quality of the passage has to be good. The quality of the writing of the question has to be good. Because बहुत सारे websites पे तुम जाओगे तो वो जो question writer है उसी को नहीं समझ में आया passage है उसने question बना दिया उसमें. So I've seen that also. So make sure that you only go to high quality content. That's very important. Otherwise, in verbal it will be counterproductive. Because तुम quants में तो 2+2 prove कर सकते हो कि उसने गलत लिखा है. 4 के बदले 5 के बदले 4 लिख दिया उसने. या 4 के बदले 5 लिख दिया उसने गलत लिखा है. Verbal में तुम कभी prove नहीं कर पाओगे कि तुम्हारा logic ज़्यादा better है than the question setter. So you have to ensure that you pick up standard stuff. So previous year questions are good standard stuff. My verbal comprehension book, my Meenakshi ma'am's VRC book is also good stuff that you can use. We have made sure that ambiguity is minimized in those questions. You can also pick up GMAT, the original papers, original questions, etc., to actually practice. So these are 3 things, and then of course you keep checking back in your mocks and your inside your mocks and your sectional tests.